Hello everyone. In this session, we'll learn about different types of tissues present in the plant body. In the last class, we discussed about introduction of anatomy. Okay. What is meant by tissue? What is meant by tissue? Tissue is a group of cells. They are a group of cells and they are similar in their structure. They are similar in their structure, function and origin. Tissue is nothing but a group of cells. They are similar in their structure, function and origin are called tissues. In the plant body, mainly two types of tissues are found. They are number one, meristematic tissue and number two, permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue and second type of tissue is permanent tissue. Permanent tissue. Okay. What are meristematic tissues? The tissue which have the capacity of cell division. Capacity of cell division. Capacity of cell division are known as meristematic tissue. And the tissue which lose the capacity of cell division are called permanent tissues. Okay. Again, meristematic tissues and permanent tissues are divided into various types based on their characters, position and origin. Okay. Coming to meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues are classified into various types based on their position, based on their structure, based on their origin, based on their plane of division. Okay. First type is based on their position. Based on position, meristematic tissue is divided into mainly three types. They are number one, apical meristem. First type is apical meristem. Second one is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem. And third type is lateral meristem. Lateral meristems. These three types of meristems are present based on their position. Next, based on their origin. Based on their origin, meristematic tissues are mainly divided into two types. They are number one, primary meristem, and second type is secondary meristem. Secondary meristems. Again, meristematic tissues are divided into three types based on their plane of division. Plane of division, they are divided into three types. In that, first one is plate meristem. Plate meristem. Second type is rib meristem. And third type is mass meristem. Mass meristem. These three types are present based on the plane of division. Next, based on their function, also meristematic tissue is divided into three types. They are protoderm, procambium and ground meristems. Okay. Next, coming to permanent tissues. Permanent tissues, they lose the capacity of cell division are called permanent tissues. Permanent tissues are classified based on their characters. Okay. Based on their characters, they are divided into mainly three types. They are, first type is simple tissues. Simple tissues. Second type, complex tissues. And third category is special tissues. Special tissues. Okay. Simple tissues. What are simple tissues? The cells, that means the tissue which have the cells of similar structure. They have the cells of similar structure. Cells of similar structure are called simple tissues. Again, simple tissues are divided into three types. They are divided into three types. They are, number one, parenchyma, and second type is collenchyma, and third type is sclerenchyma. These three types are present under simple tissues. Next, coming to complex tissues. What are complex tissues? The tissue having cells of dissimilar structure and they are collectively work for a function. They have dissimilar cells. Okay. Again, complex tissues are divided into mainly two types. They are xylem and phloem. Coming to special tissues. These tissues are made for secretion of different substances. They are meant for secretion of different substances, various substances in the plant body. Again, special tissues are also divided into two types. They are secretory cells and secretory glands. These are the various tissues present in the plant body. Now, we will discuss one by one in detail in the next class.